Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Training's YouTube channel. In today's class, we are here to discuss about what is selenium. Earlier, the organizations have faced a tough time while testing the applications manually and identifying the bug in the application. As a solution, Selenium has come up as an automation testing framework for the application development. Before we get deeper into Selenium, let's look at the agenda for today. In this video, we will learn: what is Selenium? Why Selenium? What is automation testing? Selenium toolset. Features of Selenium. Careers in Selenium. Through this video, you will get an idea about Selenium and its importance in the current market. But, before we proceed to discuss more about Selenium, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Selenium? Selenium is an open-source automation testing tool for the development of web applications across multiple platforms. The primary goal of Selenium is to automate a web-based application. The testing that is performed using Selenium over the web applications is called Selenium testing. Selenium can be deployed in multiple platforms like Linux, Windows, Solaris, Macintosh. It also supports multiple programming languages like Python, PHP, Java, C#, etc. Jason Huggins, an engineer, is the one who has been working on testing and came up with Selenium to reduce the time and efforts while performing manual testing. Why Selenium? Let us know some of the key points that make Selenium popular in the current era. Selenium is easy to use as it makes use of JavaScript. It allows testing the web applications across multiple browsers like Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Safari, etc. The code for the tests can be written in multiple programming languages like PHP, Ruby, Perl, Python, Java. Selenium is compatible to work with multiple platforms like Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. Selenium is also capable of working on any computer or a third-party server or a combination of servers. Before we learn about Selenium and its tools, let us know about automation testing. What is automation testing? Automation testing makes use of a set of tools for the automatic execution of the test cases that are manually designed. The automation testing tools will be accessing the test data, controlling the test execution, and comparing the result obtained with the original result. The detailed reports will be generated once the testing is done. Selenium toolset. There are four main tools in the Selenium suite. They are Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment, Selenium RC, Remote Control, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Let's discuss about each of the tool now. Selenium IDE. The Selenium IDE is responsible for tracking the user interactions that take place in the browser and exports them into a script, which can be reusable. Hence, IDE will allow us to write the automation scripts easily. Selenium RC. The Selenium RC is usually a Java server that allows you to write the application tests in the different computer programming languages like Perl, Python, PHP, C# and many more. The RC server is responsible to take the orders from the user application and then convert them into the JS commands for the browser. Selenium WebDriver. The Selenium WebDriver is responsible for communicating with the browser-based application and does need a core engine like remote control. Selenium Grid. The Selenium Grid will be responsible for performing the test execution across multiple operating systems and browser. To perform concurrent operations, it will connect with the rest of the suite components. Features of Selenium. Let us learn more about the features of Selenium. Multiple browser support. Selenium is compatible to work with multiple web browsers. It interacts with the web elements and web applications. Multiple language compatibility. Selenium provides its extensible support to multiple programming languages. You can write the automation script in any language that you wish. Speed and performance. Selenium has a component called WebDriver that helps in automation for the web app testing. With this, the speed and performance levels are high in Selenium when compared to the other testing methodologies. Open source. It is an open source software that can be downloaded from the official Selenium website. Less execution time. Selenium is capable of performing parallel test execution, which requires less time and effort. Careers in Selenium. There are many different opportunities available for the aspirants who are looking to pursue their career in Selenium. The salaries offered to the Selenium aspirants and experts is high due to its intense demand and scope in the future too. The salaries offered to a Selenium expert is ranging from 4 to 14 lakhs per annum, with an average salary value of 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. I think you have now got a clear picture on what is Selenium. If you are looking for a strong career, then Selenium is one among the best platforms. Give us a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about the upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon. For latest updates and blogs, follow our social media platforms. If you are interested to learn Selenium and prosper your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.